Hey guys, what's up? I hope you all are having an amazing day. So what we have with us today is the Oppo Reno Z. Okay, as you can see, the box is a very nice design. I personally haven't seen Oppo having this type of boxes. Okay, so this particular set I have with me today is Aurora Purple. Okay, so this particular product has been launched on May 2019 and released to the public on June 2019. Guys, now what we're going to do is we're going to take the phone out of the box and see what does it come with. Okay, so let's get into the unboxing.
Okay, don't look at me.
What do you see when you straight away open is this packaging right here. What is in this, you might ask? It is the manual, which nobody reads, the warranty, which nobody cares about, so I'll just throw this away and put this to the side. What you all are really here for is the phone. This is a very nice phone, honestly, I'm telling you. It's a good buy for the price. Okay, so let's not care about the phone for now. It comes with a plastic case that is quite sturdy, in my opinion. It also follows the line on the body through the casing, as you can see here. Okay, so leave that aside. The standard things you receive in the box is a power brick. Okay, power brick and the USB charger, which is, guys, it's not a micro USB. Oppo has been hearing all of our complaints that micro USB is just too slow to charge and all those stuff. Okay, so this is a type C cable. Okay guys, you all might think that is all that is in the box, but think again, you all are wrong. Oppo added the earpiece, as y'all can see. It's very nicely packaged, and let me just show y'all closely. Y'all can notice a green mesh on the internal of the earpiece, so y'all can see that there's a green mesh. Okay, there the green mesh is there. Okay, so now let's just get right into the phone. Okay, so what I have in my hands now is the Oppo Reno Z. Okay, let's just get it out of this plastic, which nobody cares about as well. Right off the back, I noticed, guys, this actually adapts a lot of my fingerprints. As you can see, there's a lot of fingerprints on the back panel as well as the front panel. Okay, so what I'm going to be showing you today is the features, specs and much more. For a pretty small device of this, it actually contains quite a huge battery, which is 4035 mAh, and it's a LiPo battery, guys, so y'all don't have to worry about anything. As you can see, guys, the screen size is 6.4. Okay, this screen is 6.4, so y'all will have pretty good video quality or gaming time or whatever that is your daily need. Okay guys, as you can see at the back here, there is two cameras, am I right? The main shooter is 48 megapixel. The secondary shooter is 5 megapixel. So y'all can get pretty good image quality from this phone itself. Y'all don't have to invest in a DSLR and all if y'all love to take photos. This model I have with me is particularly the 8GB RAM and 128GB internal memory. Okay, as you can see, the front is made of glass and the back is also made of glass. Only the housing unit is made of plastic, which is honestly fine. Not everybody needs metal. Okay guys, let's take a peek into the SIM card tray and let's see, does it have a memory card slot or not? Because who doesn't like more memory? Okay, let's go. Okay, so guys, it's dual SIM. As you can see right here, you can insert two SIM card, whether you want to have two numbers or whatsoever. That's your preference. So if you would like to have this option, this will be the right phone for you. Okay guys, as you can see, here we have the AMOLED display. Let me just make sure it doesn't go off. This is the AMOLED display. Super nice picture quality, super nice gaming, or whatever you choose to do on your phone. You will have great picture quality, great screen display. You guys, y'all must be wondering, as earlier I mentioned, it's made of glass. So let's talk about what type of glass is it. Front and back is both Gorilla Glass 5, complete protection for your mobile device. Hey guys, the amazing thing about this is Oppo actually put Android version 9. Who else is excited? It's ColorOS version 6, guys. Version 6. If y'all don't believe me, let me just show y'all the Colors version 6 for a while. So you can see it's ColourPop version 6. Okay guys, inside this phone we have an octa-core processor, so you don't have to worry about your multitasking. That will all be in great hands. Okay guys, as you've seen earlier, in the SIM tray there is no micro SD slot, sadly. But what I can tell you is, honestly, I think 128GB is enough for the everyday use, unless you have a lot of movies and all that. But it's enough for the average person. My answer is, it's not expandable. So sadly, we are stuck with 128GB unless you have a cloud server. As you saw it earlier, the camera is a dual setup camera. The first camera is the 48 megapixel and the 5 megapixel at the bottom. Okay, for everybody that loves to take selfies out there, this is honestly a very good phone. Oppo is known for their selfies. It's a 32 megapixel selfie camera, guys. What more can you ask for? So we are gonna test out the speakers and let's see how loud is it actually. Okay, let's go. Guys, as you heard earlier, it has been showing off the stereo speakers very nicely. So sound quality, I feel, is a very good choice. So as what we have seen in a lot of other flagship phones, there are no headphone jacks at the bottom, but amazingly this still has. As I know, I haven't showed much of the phone, but I wanted to save that for the actual review that I'm gonna give. So please stay tuned for my next video. I will give a more in-depth review of the phone and actually how do I think it handles on a day-to-day basis. So yeah, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.